Our experience working with RS Hardwood's team was amazing. We had only 2 weeks until we had to move in, and I knew the floors had to be done before then. Randy was available to come and take a look at our project right away. Everyone who works with the team was professional, respectful, communicated quickly. We really felt like we were on the team with them. What stood out to me about their communication was their dependability. They arrived on time for the consultation. The crew was present when they said they would be. Our project seemed complicated because we needed to remove existing marble and lay down new hardwood throughout the house. They were really flexible, and that was really important to us. The transformation from what we started with to what we ended up with was remarkable. The floors were actually something we really hated about this home when we bought it, and we knew it would be a top project, and the RS Hardwood team really delivered on that because this looks like a brand new home now. Being able to move into the new house with these brand new floors looking so much more modern and warm and inviting made us that much more excited to be able to create new memories here and start decorating and make our house a home. I would highly recommend RS Hardwood Flooring to others because you can count on them to do what they say they're going to do, when they're going to do it, within your budget, and that is just such a treasure. So I highly recommend.